bye bye if you don't see me again. Bye bye.
Welcome to day 4 of the Ha Giang Loop. Today we are driving a similar route for the first half of the day as we did the last half of the day to get here, but in the opposite direction, so same views but different. In the last half of the day we'll finish up back in Ha Giang. Kind of bittersweet knowing that we only have a few hours left driving around this incredible place, but yeah, today's a new adventure. You've had it?
Every time my mom's getting it, I get it.
You had a salt coffee. Can I try a salt coffee, please? Alright, this place is a salt coffee factory. There's everyone in line is getting one. Yeah, this is what it is. It's pretty good. Alright, second stop of the day is at a place called Lung Ho. Maybe the full name is Tuan Kan Lung Ho, but it's definitely Lung Ho. I don't know what the Tuan Kan means, but every corner you turn here, it is just equally jaw-dropping, and I keep teasing that every time we stop, this is the most beautiful place. So yeah, it's really fun. Every turn just opens up a new view because we drove it in one direction yesterday, so we saw one angle, and driving it in the reverse direction, it's like a whole new place. So yeah, really pretty. Your water. Kai, your water fell. The water. right, we're back in, how do you say it? Ha Giang? Ha Giang? At Mr. Hung's fresh pizza and pasta bar and restaurant. He's a man of many talents. He has a hotel, he rents motorbikes, and he makes pizza and pasta. Delicious.
If you never see me again, it's his fault.
Oh my god, that's so terrible.
I'll
remember
give you
that.
$100 if you drink this, like a shot.
You didn't have $100.
How about I'll give you this much if you drink all of it.
I don't know how much this much is.
It's an amount. It's 30,000. That's like $1.
Not worth it.
I would like to interview you about a couple of things. Number one,
Yeah.
are you going to drink that Tabasco?
Well, I'm waiting for confirmation that
It's made in
the
USA.
wager is real, because I have a feeling it might not be real.
Question number two,
Yeah.
do you have a basement?
I do have a basement. Yeah.
You know where to look if we go missing.
Oh my god. See you guys. Unfortunately, we said goodbye to half the group. They've got buses to catch at 4 p.m. It's around 3. So they headed back to the hotel, and the rest of the group is on the way to a waterfall for a swim. What? The waterfall was fun. I tried following some of the locals up the different pools, and the rocks were so slippery that at one point I had one of them hold my hand and the other one push my butt to help me get up without falling. On our way back to the hotel. So last stretch. Excuse me. All right, well, this is the end of day 4 of the Ha Giang Loop, and that concludes my time. And I would definitely say, of all the places I've been to, this was truly like a super magical experience. I would love to come back and just take a bike, rent one, and just ride every single street you possibly could for weeks and weeks and weeks, and really get to know the place. For the time being, I'm back at the hotel, Mr. Hung's Tourism, and I'm waiting till 7 p.m. for a sleeper bus to go to Sapa. And then the other thing is I'll need to figure out where to sleep tonight, because I haven't booked a hotel quite yet. All right. I am leaving the hotel, and I've had to walk a bit to get to the bus because the street's too small, but it's a sleeper bus. So here we go.
upload this to YouTube. This is my final call for help. Bye bye. If you don't see me again. Bye bye.